So an old unit is going to get moved into this new room, an old air handler. For the last decade, we've had our 2 LG air handlers inside this room. They're redundant. It only needs one, but one's on one system, one is on another system that you'll see when I pass that door, to redundancy. If it ever goes down, you damage your crop, and you're going to see what I'm talking about. So that's getting prepared to be moved over into here, and it'll spend the rest of its life for the next 10, 15, 20 years in this room. We just half-assed put that one up. It's kind of jerry-rigged up there using the zip tape. It's not nice and it's not insulated and everything like that yet, but that's up there quickly. That's a little 2-ton unit. I believe that's a 18,000 or 24,000 BTU. The other one that's going in here is a 6-ton, and let's go over there right now. So that's the unit coming down. It's not the cleanest looking little place, but you see I'm in a clean suit and I have to walk in. This is it has a peroxide type material in it, kind of chlorine kind of stuff, not chlorine, a peroxide that sterilizes your shoes. Before I come in here, I have to spray down. I have to spray my shoes. I have to spray my gloves, so everything is no fungus, no mold spores or anything like that I can introduce around this floor every week. And the walls and everything gets sprayed with a antifungal disinfectant. Everything gets cleaned in here. That is a humidifier right there that uses air pressure and reverse osmosis water that gets sprayed into an airstream. You can see that's a fan right there. That sprays into here to control the humidity when needed. So this one is the one that we're taking out of here, and yes, that is a piece of particle board stuck out there. That was like, this was a very high dollar, low budget job. So high dollar efficient LG equipment, but low budget, couldn't afford to do the ducting, the filtering, the sheet metal work. It was like, what can you get us to get the most energy efficient equipment up and running, but for the lowest dollar amount? And that was the jerry-rigged thing. And the reason that piece of wood had to be put up there was to use the caloriadral effect. Well, what it means is that it pushes and it aims the air up at a slant to the roof, so the air can come all the way over, hugging to the roof to make it to the other side. And as you can see, this is the air movement over here, about 20 feet away. And it's taking care of that effect right there. So that's getting moved from here into the other room to spend another 10 or 15 or 20 years in there. And yes, this equipment does last 20 plus years. It depends who installs it and maintains it and what is used. If you're using it in a place that has harsh chemicals like sulfur that attacks copper, you might get some leaks. You don't change filters, you might have some problems. But okay, I'm gonna get on the move right now, and I gotta get up there and start disassembling that. It's running right now because my son's on the roof right now. He's turning off the liquid supply to the system to choke off the refrigerant so it could be recovered under a vapor. And then I gotta he'll close off the ball valves up above. Then I gotta recover what remainder of refrigerant that'll just be a vapor in the refrigerant lines, which is about 30 feet of refrigerant line to the ball valve, because this is on a heat recovery. This could do heating or cooling, and it could do it simultaneously. While one room is in heating and another room is in cooling, this can recover the heat and reuse it, or the cooling effect, either or. All right guys, catch you later.